Hello dear teachers and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to tell you all about Voki, which is not a new site, but a lot of things have been added to it to make it more engaging and useful for us teachers. In this video, I would like to talk about only the free options that this site offers. It offers a lot of things that you have to pay for. So if you're interested, make sure that you check it out. So let's dive into it. Let's talk about the things that we can do with this site to make our lessons engaging to our students and to promote speaking and writing. In other words, language production. Let's go to create. Okay, so once you go to create, this is what you'll get. You will get an avatar that moves, as you can see here, as you move your mouse. It's cute. And let's see the options. So let's take a look at characters. So here are the characters that are available for us to use in our Voki videos. And the starred one, the ones that are with the stars, are for the paid version only. But there are a lot of things, a lot of cute things actually, that you can use for free. Let's take this character as an example. Okay, so here you go. We have this character and we can click here to get more accessories to add to this character. So you can make the necessary changes that you want. Okay, once we're done and we're pleased, we can also change the background. So we can also change the background to backgrounds that have to do with sports, school, nature, or anything that you're interested in. Okay, let's go with this one. Now, if I click here, I will have an opportunity to type in a text, of course, in English, and then get this text narrated by this character in different accents. You see? American accent, Scottish, Australian, Indian, anything that you want, you can change it to. And you can change it to a kid's voice or to an offbeat voice that I'll show you later on. Let's say that these characters will tell us, hello.
Hello everyone, it's a lovely day today. I'm so glad to have you here.
Another thing that you can do here as well is click on this microphone and then record your voice. And the students can also record their own voices. So once they type in the text, they can practice writing. Okay, so when they click on the record button here, they can practice speaking. So let's do this. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to have you here. Do you have something interesting to share? Type in the chat. Okay, so it's uploading the audio and it's processing, and now you can listen. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to have you here. Okay. You can also add a lot of funny voices here. Okay, now I'll show you another example. Let's record this. Then I would like to show you how you can save your work, or how your students can save their work.
My name is Michael. I am 12 years old, and this is my school. I miss my school very much. How about you? Do you miss school?
Okay, now it's uploading the audio just to show you an example of something that your students can.
I am 12 years old, and this is...
Let's say that your students are pleased with the results, then they click on save, and here they give the character a name, and that's Michael, and then they save it. And once your student's character is saved, they are able to share it with you using their emails, and they can also copy a link. Once they copy the link, that's the link, they copy it, and then they can share it with you. If we open a new tab, this is what you're going to get, and they can also share it with other students as well. Here you go. And then you can listen to your students' responses, which is an excellent way to promote speaking. And you can use it as well to assign homework to them, to explain things to them, to explain new vocabulary words, or your students can create videos to explain vocabulary words. The sky is the limit. And if you're using Padlet, then it's also an excellent way. For example, you can have all your students pasting the link of their product, of their Voki products, so they can all watch it and comment on each other's work. I think it's lovely, and it has a lot of potential for us English teachers out there for language production in order to promote our students' speaking skills, especially those students who are very, very shy. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.